Today's quiet blenders deliver more than just reduced noise. They combine powerful motors, efficient blade designs, and thoughtful jar geometries to handle ice, frozen fruit, and hot soups without waking the whole house. For busy households, small kitchens, and late-night meal prep, quiet operation is often the deciding factor between a blender you use daily and one that collects dust on a countertop.
List number 1. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie. The Ninja BL660 combines a robust 1100-watt motor with a total crushing 72-ounce pitcher and a compact footprint, making it a standout for families who want both blender versatility and some food processing capability. It ships with two 16-ounce to-go cups, a pro extractor blade, and a recipe guide, delivering a full on-the-go set in a single purchase. The build feels sturdy, and the 3-speed plus pulse controls are straightforward, with a dedicated single-serve function for quick personal blends. The device's overall design prioritizes power and batch capacity, with BPA-free plastics and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. In actual use, the BL660 demonstrates strong ice-crushing ability and smooth blending at mid to high speeds, making frozen drinks in seconds and allowing for threshold-exceeding performance in sauces and dressings thanks to the food processing option. The 64-ounce max liquid capacity enables large batches, though pouring spouts and pitcher handling require a stable stance due to the tall profile. The included single-serve cups add portability, but the overall noise level remains noticeable at full power.
List number 2. Black & Decker BL1400 DG-P Quiet Stainless Steel Blender with Cyclone Glass Cup. Brand. The Black & Decker BL1400 DG-P emphasizes quiet operation with quiet technology and digital controls, offering 3 speeds, 3 smart functions, and a pulse feature. A notable feature is the Cyclone glass jar, designed for a fast vortex and a 6-tip blade optimized for efficient ingredient flow. It also includes a 24-ounce personal blending jar with a travel lid, expanding its flexibility for individual servings without a separate appliance. Priced at $58.99, it represents a strong value proposition for households prioritizing noise reduction and quick personal blends. Performance-wise, the BL1400 DG-P delivers competitive ice-crushing power with 900 watts and a blade geometry designed to minimize stalls by directing ingredients towards the blades. The glass jar with a durable 6-tip blade yields smooth results with a quick cleanup process. While the personal jar adds portability, the 24-ounce capacity may require multiple batches for larger families. The 220-volt specification suggests this particular unit is intended for markets using higher line voltages, which may affect compatibility in some regions. The overall experience is reliable for everyday smoothies and sauces with the benefit of quieter operation.
List number 3. Ninja Professional Blender 1000 Watt. The Ninja BL610 brings a 1000-watt motor into a full-size 72-ounce pitcher setup focused on total crushing technology to deliver ice-crushing and blended results quickly. The Generation 2 design keeps the footprint relatively compact for a full-size blender, with BPA-free pitcher material and dishwasher-safe components. The included recipe guide helps new users explore frozen drinks and smoothies, while sturdy stainless steel blades are optimized for both ice and fruit. This model sits at a premium mid-range price point, with a focus on family batch performance. In practice, the BL610 is a reliable workhorse for mixed beverages and smoothies, with 4 speeds providing more versatility than basic 3-speed models. Its 72-ounce pitcher supports large batches, ideal for entertaining or meal prep. Cleanup is straightforward due to dishwasher-safe parts, though like many high-powered blenders, some users may notice vibration on taller counters. The total crushing technology excels at pulverizing ice, but dense ingredients may require blending in stages for ultra-smooth textures.
List number 4. Black & Decker Power Crush Digital Blender with Quiet Technology. The Black & Decker BL1300DG-P combines quiet technology with a 900-watt motor and a 6-cup glass jar, delivering a balance of quiet operation and solid performance. The 4-tip Quad Pro blade geometry aims to optimize blending flow and reduce stalls, while the glass jar contributes to a sturdier feel and cleaner aesthetics. The model features 3 speeds plus a pulse and an LED power indicator for easy use. The premium designation reflects its glass jar and higher quality materials compared to basic budget options. In use, the BL1300DG-P demonstrates reliable performance for everyday blends, ice crushing, and sauces. The glass jar handles hot and cold ingredients with ease, though its 6-cup capacity is modest for family-sized batches. The quiet technology is tangible, especially during mid-range blending tasks, but at peak power, there is still audible noise, albeit reduced versus non-quiet competitors. Maintenance is straightforward, and the jar's pour spout reduces drips during pouring.
List number 5. Silent Professional Blender, 1.4 liter, 8 preset programs. Potline Pan markets the Silent Professional Blender with Silent Shield technology, a 1.4 liter jar, and 8 preset programs, including blends for smoothies, soups, and ice crushing. The 24-hour timer and self-cleaning capability are standout convenience features, particularly for busy households or meal prep enthusiasts who value automation. It's positioned as a higher-end option within the mid-range price band, and the 1.4 liter jar size strikes a balance between personal use and family batches. In practical terms, the Silent Shield concept translates into noticeably quieter blending compared with typical countertop models, making it appealing for early risers or shared living spaces. The 8 presets provide consistent results across several use cases, though some advanced users may prefer manual control for fine-tuning texture. Hot and cold blending capability expands its versatility to soups and nut milks, while the 24-hour timer enables scheduled prep. Cleaning can be easier with the self-cleaning feature, but most users will still appreciate a straightforward routine for any jar.